This car is finally back home after months on months and months of not doing anything to it. As you can see, it's got, some surface rust and other issues going on, and tires are flat in the front. That's because these wheels are leaking. The barrels on the inside are corroded so bad. I need to rebuild them. I already have barrels for the inside. And I just need to find someone to triple chrome the faces because they need to be redone. I have brand new gold hardware too I'm gonna put in, so it's gonna get like a whole makeover. But everything else, very, very dirty, very messy. This car's only got like 58,000 miles and it looks like shit right now. So, and I have the Subaru out here, of course. And right now I'm actually just putting on, two things. One, I painted my new lip I got again. So I just finished paint matching it to my car. I had one on here, but it broke in Gatlinburg this past weekend, because I hit a pothole. So it's split in half, so I had to order another one. I just finished painting it, so it's just drying right now. But the egg and blue is hitting. But anyways, so right now I got some fog lights. Mine are extremely hazy, and they're just the original white ones. But I got these yellow LED ones for the Type R. Got them for actually a really good price. The seller gave me like a discount on them. I got them on eBay. I know, boo. There's not really many cheap parts in this car, but I figured I'd try this out. So see what it does. Pretty straightforward, really. I mean, I have the facelift conversion kit on here, which I'm actually going to go back to the OG one because I'm waiting for the Mugen pieces. They're going to go up in this section right here. I got it in carbon fiber for my old ones because I still have the old ones, because this is actually a 2019, not a 2021 or 2020. But yeah, so pretty straightforward. You just have to pry these off. They just clip in. There's a bunch of tabs for pretty much anybody that has a 10th gen. It's pretty identical as far as I can tell. Then it looks like there's just two Phillips screws, one here and one here. So let me get that off real quick. So this is actually a new day. When having these off, I totally forgot. So when you get aftermarket fog lights, it's converting to H11. So the OEM is an H8 plug. So these are H11 connectors. So I ordered two pigtails that are going to connect into those H11 fogs. And I'm just going to quickly wire it up. Nothing crazy. You get a positive and a ground. There's nothing else to it. So these were only $4 for these connectors. I got them on Amazon. So the fog lights will fit now, and I'll just cut the connectors back, probably about the same amount of wiring as this, just so I can potentially put them back together if I want to go back the other way. Although I probably won't. So, but yeah, so now let's pull these back off and get that done. All right, so pulled the covers back off again. The connector has two different colors. As you can see, black and blue. Black being ground, blue being power. So just gonna snip it right there. I pulled back a little bit of the harness, and then just put these connectors on, and we shall be good. So let's get that going here. Okay, so I finally got this one in. Let me explain. So granted, these are Amazon, right? I do some modifications. So there was tabs up here on the top. I cut them off. Also, there was tabs on the side here. I had to cut them off. As you can see, I cut them on the side, on this side. Then this bottom half here, I just notched a little spot here because on the Type R, there's a little groove that comes down in here. And with doing that, it fits perfect now. Like, sits in there nice and snug. And now I just gotta put the screws in. So it sits where it needs to sit. Let me screw it up and see how it looks. All right, so now it's screwed on. It's tight. Not sure how bright it's going to be, but this was my factory ones. I mean, they were falling apart, as you can clearly see. Um, I mean, it should be an upgrade the way I see it. If it's not, then whatever, I'll get some different ones. But for as cheap as they were, like I said, it's worth a shot. Oh, that looks good. Looks really good. God, the lighting is so bad, so it's hard to pick it all up. Not sure how bright it's gonna be. I'll do a test after I wire this one up and put it in. But yeah, like I said, though, it was due for replacing it. It is literally so worn out. Let me get the other side in. It's pretty bright. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. Yeah, they look good for a $30. Well, after the pigtail, the lights, like $37. And it's pretty much a plug and play after that. They look pretty good. I don't know how they fully are until it's nighttime, but I mean, they're LEDs, so yeah. Figure I'd throw that together for you guys in case anyone else is thinking about doing something like this. But yeah, if you have any other questions, just holler at me. Later, guys.